What problems should be paid attention to in the use of magnetic pumps in the chemical industry? Let and appos, let's take a look. 1. Prevent particles from entering. 1. Ferromagnetic impurities and particles area allowed to enter the friction between magnetic driver and bearing. 2. After transporting the medium easy to crystallize or precipitate. Wash it in time. Fill the pump cavity with clean water after stopping the pump and drain it after running for 1 minute. To ensure the service life of the sliding bearing. 3. When conveying the medium containing solid particles, it shall be filtered at the inlet of the pump flow pipe. 2. Prevent demagnetization. 1. The magnetic torque shall not be designed too small. 2. It shall operate under the specified temperature, 45 to 400. And the medium temperature shall not exceed the standard. A platinum resistance temperature sensor can be installed on the outer surface of the magnetic pump isolation sleeve to detect the temperature rise in the annular gap area, to alarm or shut down when the temperature exceeds the limit. 3. Prevent dry friction. 1. Idling is strictly prohibited. 2. Do not evacuate the medium. 3. When the outlet valve is closed. The continuous operation time of the pump shall not exceed 2 minutes to prevent the magnetic actuator from overheating and failure. Click the link below to view the original text.